Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Pierce team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook pages. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Pierce LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. It's hard to tell in the video, but what we're out here working on today, there is a very considerable dip in the floor inside this room here, in up here in the Gladstone area. So what we're going to do, we're going to continue pulling back all of the carpet. We're going to get padding pulled up. There is tile underneath that padding that we are going to have to remove, and then we will get the floor joists fully exposed, and then using a combination of 30-ton hydraulic handheld bottle jacks and 6x6 treated wood support beams, we will first raise the existing floor joists back to their correct level elevation as needed. If there's any kind of damage or rotted floor joists, we will replace it with treated wood of the same size. Any of the existing floor joists that are in good shape will sister on to those again with same size treated wood, and just really make sure that this floor is reinforced once we get it brought back to level. Once that's done, we will also be installing 4 King Pier 2s on the west back side of this house. So against underneath the crawl space footing along this wall from corner to corner, and we'll raise that footing back up to level also. So that will get started next week. Today and tomorrow we should be able to get the majority of the floor raised back up. It's a lot smaller in scope than if you've seen the video from back in October. We did a very similar project raising a floor out in Kansas City, Kansas. So this is going to be much smaller in scope, so we should be able to get it done a lot faster. This is less involved than that one was. So today, again, we'll get everything pulled back and exposed, and then start raising those floor joists back to level. So stay tuned for more updates. You can always find those on our YouTube and Facebook pages if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.